Let's be honest, most people think YouTube money begins and ends with ads, as in you post, YouTube put ads, you cash out. But here's the truth, ads are just one slice of a very big pizza. So today, I'm showing you 10 proven ways to make money on YouTube. And trust me, some of these will shock you because you have never come across it before. As a matter of fact, there are some like number 7 and number 10 that are currently making me a lot of money. So you have to stick around while I unveil it. So let's start with the obvious one, which is ad revenue. YouTube run ads on your video, then you get paid. But here is the funny part, where your audience comes from affects how fat that payment looks. If you are lucky to have audience from US or UK, then you'll be smiling at the bank. But if you have only Nigerian audience, well, you are only smiling at the suya stand. It's not bad, but it's just the starting point. Number 2, channel membership, VIP vibes. This one is underrated. With membership, your loyal fans pay a monthly fee to join your VIP club. You can give them perks like exclusive content, special badges, or behind the scene access. So I need you to think about it, just like £100 paying you $2 a month is like $200 steady. That's passive money rolling in every single month. Number 3, super chat and stickers. That is live stream magic. Now, if you do live streams, super chat is your best friend. Viewers pay money just to have their messages highlighted. Some even compete to outdonate each other. I once saw a guy drop $300 on a live stream just to say, "Notice me." Imagine being paid big money just to shout out to people in real time. Now I'm not done with you. Let's talk about number 4, YouTube premium revenue. Here is one most people don't even realize. YouTube premium subscribers pay monthly, and when they watch your videos, YouTube shares part of that subscriptions with you. It's not huge at first, but when your videos are being worthy, that bonus adds up like groundnut in a sack. Number 5, affiliate marketing, which is smart selling. This one is good. You recommend a product, drop your affiliate link in the description, and whenever someone buys, you earn commission. The beauty of it is that you don't even need to own the product. If you are in a tech channel, you can simply share a laptop link. Maybe you find it on Amazon. For fitness channel, you can just promote a protein shakes. Lifestyle channel, maybe Amazon product or Jumia product. It's like turning your description box into an ATM machine. Number 6, selling your own product. From merch like t-shirts and hoodies to digital product like courses and ebooks. And YouTube already makes it easy with merch shelf under your videos. Imagine someone watches your video and just right there sees your also know the tire me hoodie, like the Olawap hoodie you are seeing right on the screen, and they never stop making money round neck you are also seeing, and just like that, insta sale. Don't forget to patronize me anyway. Number 7, sponsorship, which is the big fish. This is where the big money lives. Brands pay you to showcase their product, and guess what? You don't even need 1 million subscribers. You just need a focused audience. As for me, I'm currently on concurrent sponsorship of a brand, but I won't tell you what it is. I know a guy with just 6,000 subscribers, but because his channel is about personal finance, a fintech brand paid him $1,000 for a single video. That's more than most people make monthly from salary, and he just made it from just one deal. Now imagine stacking 2 or 3 of those. Now let's talk about number 8, coaching and consulting. YouTube builds authority. People watch you, trust you, and then pay you to teach them directly. If you're good at something like editing, public speaking, cooking, coding, whatever it is, try to package it, offer coaching sessions or consulting. You'll be surprised how many people will pay just to learn from you personally. Now let's talk about number 9, which is crowdfunding. Fan love turned into cash flow. Don't just get me started. Crowdfunding is another gem. Platforms like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee let fans support you monthly. I've seen small creators make more from Patreon than ads. Imagine 200 people giving you $5 every month. That's $1,000 steady. Whether YouTube ads are good or not, this is what I call fan power. Now let's talk about number 10, which is content licensing. I know you have never heard about this before, but this is a viral jackpot. If you ever create a viral video, media companies and brands can pay you to see it. Even something as random as your cat knocking down a fan. If it goes viral, agencies will reach out and pay for the rights. It's like hitting a jackpot by mistake. YouTube money isn't just ads. You've got membership, live stream, donations, affiliate marketing, selling your product, sponsorship, coaching, crowdfunding, and even licensing your viral clips. Now tell me, which of these money-making methods are you already already trying? And which one are you adding this year? Drop your answer in the comment section below. I'll be checking them out one after the other. If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips. And hey, if you are damn serious about turning your YouTube into a real money making business, check out my viral channel mastery course, where I will be walking you step by step on how to build a profitable channel, and you will even have a lifetime access to me to learn how I do it, because everything I'll be showing you is exactly how I do it. Remember, YouTube is not just a side hustle, it's a full-blown business if you play it smart. Whatever you do, never stop making money.